Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learner's Corner. In this video, I'm going to help you how to use Google Forms for conducting objective type of questions. In this Google form, we can set questions like MCQs, true or false, match the columns, and picture based questions. So to set up the questions, you should go to Google form and start doing the work. Before going to that one, please subscribe to my channel Learner's Corner, comment, hit the bell icon to get the notifications on upcoming videos. Let us go to Google and search there Google form. So if you're this is our Google search engine right here, Google Forms, online survey for personal use, and then click on go to forms. This is how your Google form window will be visible. Click on blank document so that you can set up the new question paper. First thing is you have to write the title for your question paper. Let us write test. You can write the class also, create whichever class is ninth subject. Maximum for how many marks you want to set the question paper, you have to write. And here you need to set the question paper. Usually how we set, we'll write the name of the student, name of the student, and they will be writing the answers here. Then this is the required question, means it's a compulsory required question is nothing but the compulsory question. After that, once you set here, if you want, you can choose one more question, that is select your suppose if you are having 2 sections or 3 sections. For this one, you should go to multiple choice and write here section A. Section A. If you want to add another one, click on another and write there section B. If you want another one, write here section C. After writing 2 questions, go to settings, and then these are some preliminary settings you have to make. If you want to collect the email address of the students, you can click here, collect the email address, and limit to one response means students can respond only one time. They need not to repeat the submissions. After that, go to presentation, show progress bar or how much they are understanding, how much of questions they are attempting, everything it will be observed by the student. Shuffle question order means for each question the questions will be shuffled, and then confirmation message. You can write here thank you for your submission or whatever the confirmation message you want, you can. That is the option. These are the optional settings. Then go to third, that is important settings. Make this as quiz, and here you have 2 options: release the grade immediately after each submission or later after manual review. Once students submit their response or once they complete and send, immediately they can see the marks that will be immediately automatically calculated by the Google. Otherwise, if you want to see later means you can. So I'm just selecting immediately after each submission. Students can view the missed questions, correct answers, and point. If you want to show them the correct answers, you can click this one. Otherwise, you can unclick. So after these preliminary settings, make it as save. Let us write the first question. So if you In first part, I'm going to show you how to set up MCQ questions and true or false questions. For this one, click on plus option and write your first question. For example, measurement of right angle is. So what I'm doing, just I'm giving the options. It is 50 degrees. If you want to go for 2 to 3 options, right here 90 degrees. Then how many options you want, you go on clicking here. After that, you have to set the answer for your question. So what is the answer for this question? That is 90 degree. So here you have to click on answer key. So you have to select the correct answer so that Google will automatically correct your question paper. And then how many marks you are allotting for this particular question? That is 1 point or 1 mark. Then done. Now this is a compulsory question right here, required. Similarly, you want to go for the another question, you can copy or duplicate the same question, or you can add a question. So if I make it duplicate means settings will be same, there won't be any change in the setting. Otherwise, you can go for the add question. I want same type of one more question. So I'm clicking here and then I'll write next question. This is a true or type of question I'm setting for my student. Here I don't want options, these many options I don't want, so just cross them right here. True, here false, and set the answer key for this question. So straight angle measures 100 degree, the statement is true or false. If it is true, click on the true, otherwise set the correct answer for this one. Automatically I have copied the previous question, so here automatically the points are given. Then make it as done. So like this you have to set your MCQ questions as well as true or false questions in your Google form. In my next video, I will be showing you how to set up match the column type of questions and how to set up picture based type of questions so that student can attempt the question paper in objective, which includes MCQs, picture based questions, true or false, as well as match the column. Keep watching my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.